to get a little more that way. You had the same problem. I saw you have to get off. Alright, right there. Alright, now turn back, straighten up. Turn up, right there. Short.
Same thing is gonna happen?
Straight. Okay, alright, drive it. Alright, back out. Alright, straight. Now keep it straight, just like that. Straight. Straight and
My rear's gonna slide off in that hole.
Slow. It won't go into a hole.
Yeah, well.
It will, but you'll be able to drive it.
Like a foot.
Back up like a foot. Right?
Now turn driver.
Driver. Okay. Now go.
Straight up.
Straight.
Okay, now go. Your passenger up there.
Passenger a little. Okay, passenger a lot.